make a castle. Make a castle.
With the what?
Recycling stuff.
What is it? We have the boxes and snack containers, bottles, cups. Yeah, let's try to make. Okay. I did this part with for kids because it's a lot of cutting with knives. So I just cut and then taped it. I just use a tape. And we'll see. And then rolling, and then you need the tape. You want a paper on it or paint over it?
Paint.
Ready to paint?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. Have fun.
Box. This is my tool.
You done painting?
Yeah. Like this one? This is our castle. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching. Gemma, Jaden, Eduplay. Please like, subscribe. Thank you. Craft Challenge, Week 3. Making our castle. Summer Reading Program. 2020.
Longview Public Library.